drop this on a good line. I've been thinking a lot about what you said to me, and the more I thought, the more you end up to me. Your words pricked like a viper's bite. I might suck out that venom just to use it for spite. That's why I write this, to let you know I'm coming for you. You got another place to stay because I'm for you, running all the way. I'll be there in a day or two. I'm not your friends, I don't know who the is playing for you. I'm not delaying, I'm just giving fair warning. Got one chance to leave before I show up and start dig my nails through your cheeks and out your teeth with the bent end of a no need for pliers, too quick and too less. Was gonna drop a chorus, but don't even wanna sing that. I just wanna you up. I wanna weights on your legs, your kneecaps out, those in your pupils, around the iris. Get that disinfectant, cause I don't want you again. Unless you puke up, slap it in a glass and make you drink your own. Really true be telling it, I hope I didn't stutter. Dreaming up while I with the gutter. Let me break my pencil. Luckily I got a pen. I've been crafting up and scheming and thinking of all the many ways that I could stop you. Man, you gonna see the full show, and I'm counting down the hours and minutes before it's their time. You hear that? The sound of your is a off your to the side. And I don't mean to be critical, I'm kind of analytical. Admit I'm going too far, but I've been off my for 3 weeks. Man, this feels great. For the first time in a while, I can finally think. My streak's been telling me to stay on them, cause she can't do her job. She said it's not her problem. You go through what I show you. But you the main course called out an early dessert. I'm being literal, I'm really gonna to esophagus like a pizza. I just wanna you dry. Hold your body like a kite. Your skin, my tongue in to all the little mostly holding you together. Unless you puke up, lap it in a glass and make your own. Really to be telling it, I hope I didn't stutter. Dreaming up your while I'm in the gutter. Hey, I'm being safe now. There's a warm, bright light creeping around my ankles. It means there's still a chance to rise to heaven. Forgive and forget and never regret. And as iron sharpens iron, so man sharpens man. Proverbs 27:17. I understand. I have been changed. My soul has been lifted because of you, man. All my pain's unshifted. Psych! What you think I believe all that? Ain't no ghost, not the f***ing head. Forever for you, ain't no for me. When you gon' end up on a dirty straight corner where I drop the bed with your soft in it. You end up in the when I